So this is just a quick little video of how to set the date on your car. So I've noticed this one is out. So that's done with the top stalk here. And I'm just going to be pressing, when I say pressing down, I'm pressing this symbol here down. And when the diamond comes up in the symbol, you need to press in to enter in. I'm pressing this one on the end. So cycling down to start with, that's once, it's your check system. That's the key, service info. Here we go, date. 30th of August 2017. It's not, it's actually the 4th of September. So we press in the end button and we want to change that. Let's see if we can go down to get it to go to 4. And then press the end button. Get that to go to 9. There we go, that's what we want. We press the end, 2017. Done. And press it down to cycle on. You probably just have to wait for it to come out. Yep, there we go. I pressed the button on the end and it went away. So as we cycle through now, there we go, 4/9/2017. The date is set. All done with this stalk at the top. So pressing down here and pressing in when we select on the end of the stalk.